Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone with a business or personal brand. Just like a physical store, your homepage is the first impression potential customers get of your business. It's where they decide whether to step inside or click away. So, let's make sure it's as inviting as possible. First off, let's talk about design. Your homepage should reflect your brand's identity. Use colors, fonts, and images that align with your brand personality. A cohesive look creates trust and familiarity with your audience. A clean layout, intuitive navigation, and eye-catching visuals can keep visitors engaged. Avoid clutter, less is often more. Next up, content. Your homepage should clearly communicate who you are and what you offer. Include a catchy headline and a brief description of your services or products. Remember, people skim, so make it easy for them to get the key points at a glance. A great tagline can grab attention instantly. Think of it as your elevator pitch, make it count. Now, let's talk about calls to action. You want visitors to take action, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, checking out your products, or contacting you. Make these buttons prominent and persuasive. Use phrases like "get started" or "shop now." Your CTAs should stand out. Use contrasting colors and strategic placements to guide users where you want them to go. Lastly, don't forget about mobile optimization. With so many users browsing on their phones, ensure your homepage looks great on all devices. A mobile-friendly site can significantly boost user experience and conversion rates. So there you have it. Your homepage is more than just a web page, it's your digital storefront. Invest time in making it appealing, informative, and user-friendly. Remember, first impressions matter, and if you want to create a website, then check out these videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on building your online presence.